It's heartbreaking how most of the times your video might stay like 2 weeks, 3 weeks without copyright or without any claims or without failing any rule. But maybe after like a month or 2 months, you see a copyright on your video. It's heartbreaking because you know the effort and time and money you have put into this video to make it or to for it to be a success. So you begin to ask yourself, how can I do this? How can I actually have my video on my platform and successfully it will be there without copyright claim or without anybody, any rule affecting it forever? Yeah, it's very simple. Recently, I applied for YPP, YouTube Partnership Program, on my third channel and I got rejected. The problem with it is that I had a misleading malpractice or something related to that I inflated the implant form. That's what YouTube said. You can actually see what they say here. So I begin to analyze where the problem is coming from, because never a time did I inflate my view, never a time did I buy subscribers. There was never a time I actually took my URL to any particular platform or wherever to tell them to to buy views at all. I never did such kind of practices, and it occurred to me that a lot of things might bring you to these particular situations. And for you to avoid this situation, it's from the one of your opening your YouTube channel as a beginner, as a content creator, it's from the one that you start avoiding this problem. My name is John Paul and this is Top Shooters. I am here to teach you more of the YouTube automations and share my experience about my YouTube journey. So let's move. For you to avoid all these things, for you to avoid the copyright, the reuse content, the malpractice, everything, the inflations and a whole lot of community guidelines, you have to start from day one. I started this YouTube journey from 2015. I had a lot of success and failures, but those success and failure is what has built me into a unique kind of storyteller, and I'm here to tell you my story. So this my very YouTube that I'm telling you about that I had problem with. It's Nice Social Media. You can check it out on your free time. Nice Social Media is a place that I review movies. I share the stories about movies and I review them. I talk about movies there. So it got the threshold for applying for YPP, and I applied and I was rejected. So I started checking for the reasons, and they told me it's implant manipulation of malpractices and implant form that I manipulated it. Whatsoever that they said there, it's never my business. My business is to find the solution for it. And I searched for the solution. I asked a lot of questions, and it seems like the solutions was even very, very narrow than I thought. So they said I had content, or I had videos, or I had things that I did on my channel that increased my view, and I never did such things. So, but it's not the business of YouTube to come and judge you whether you did it or not. It's there, it's there. So when I got the solution, I found out that their problem was, when you apply for YPP, YouTube is going to check your biggest view and the smallest view, your videos that has the biggest view and the ones that have the smallest view. And when they check it, they begin to analyze other videos. But if the difference is clear, they will begin to suspect something. So I went to my analytics and I saw the obvious there. I saw that YouTube suggestion had around that kind 20%, 20% of my analytics, and YouTube search has around 5%, but the external had over 70 something percent. So it was obvious that my traffic was coming from somewhere, because my major traffic should come from YouTube. I don't know, but my external showed that my traffic was coming from somewhere that is very suspicious. And I opened the externals and I saw a lot of all these cheap chat websites that have been pushing traffic to my channel. And to be honest, I never paid anybody for this traffic. Wholeheartedly, I never paid anybody. So there are fans who are so religious with your channel. They are so dedicated with your channel that when they love your channel, they can actually help you in pushing your URL to different places. But in all this, I suspected something. When I started that particular channel, I was sharing my link to Facebook, to Instagram, and a lot of places. And in all these places, you have a lot of persons that are very malicious that can do anything to your video. So my solution today is I took the URL and I went to ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to analyze this particular channel and tell me which of the videos that I should remove to actually escape this problem. And ChatGPT 5 analyzed my channel and brought out every video that has been affected by that particular problem. And I personally manually checked it and it was true. So at the time of putting my URL to ChatGPT, I had over 405 videos, but after editing it, I had only 130 videos left out. And I applied and I went through to YPP. So on that channel, I'm a partner now. So, but the solution to all these things is to start from day one to begin to solve them. That your video that you uploaded has escaped or didn't have any kind of community guideline that he has gone against, doesn't mean that when applying for YPP there could not be any problem. Or you might have your video on your platform, maybe after 3 months somebody comes to claim it as his own content, or that he has his own content in it. It's very heartbreaking. So what will you do is to put your video on unlisted. That's the first thing you do. Each time you're uploading it, put that video on unlisted and upload it. Then check for the checks. There is a place YouTube writes checks for you. You can see it over here. Check for it. If it's in none, then you have escaped the first test. Then what you do before you even let it to the public is fill in the necessary data. Fill in the necessary data and save it. Then take the URL of that channel, of that particular video, to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to analyze it. Will this thing ever be a problem ever? ChatGPT is going to analyze it and tell you better, and tell you very fucking better that it's okay or it's wrong. It's going to tell you everything. So this era is era for AI, and we should actually maximize our use for it. So every video you upload, put it on unlisted and take the URL to ChatGPT 5. It will analyze it and know whether you have actually gone against any rule or would anybody ever come to claim it. Yes, and if ChatGPT have satisfied it wholeheartedly, believe you me, it's going to go through YPP program. So when next you upload your video, apply this mechanism and you're going to get through your YPP. So guys, the thing there is that I want you as a beginner to be welcomed into our partners program. Yes, I want you to come in there. So make sure you do the right thing. Don't manipulate yourself. It takes a lot to be a YouTuber. It takes a very big lot, and it's demanding. It's demanding. It's really, really demanding. So obrigado, guys. So guys, I still remain John Paul, and this is Top Shooters. So take care and see you guys in the next video. Look at other of my videos and you'll see solutions and my experience.